Hey guys, are you want to buy best DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair DDR5 RGB RAM. The Corsair RGB memory modules combine high-performance memory with stunning visual flair, making them a perfect upgrade for gaming and enthusiast PCs. Each module features 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs encased in a panoramic light bar, delivering vivid, immersive lighting visible from any angle. Onboard voltage regulation allows for more precise and stable overclocking, giving users greater control compared to previous generation motherboard options. Using Corsair's ICUE software, you can create, save, and switch between custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, optimizing memory performance for specific apps or tasks. The software also offers extensive lighting customization, letting you choose from dozens of preset profiles or design your own to match your system's aesthetic. Compatible with Intel 700 and 800 series platforms, these modules provide both high-speed performance and dynamic RGB effects for PC builders looking to combine power, stability, and eye-catching visuals. Corsair's RGB memory modules deliver a seamless blend of performance and style, elevating both gaming and creative setups. Now our second product is G.Skill DDR5 RGB RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB Series DDR5 Memory Kit, F56000J3636F16J2TZ5RK, is a high-performance upgrade designed for desktop PCs and gaming rigs. This 32GB kit includes 2x16GB modules rated for DDR5-6000 with CL36-36-36-96 timings at 1.35V. Delivering exceptional speed and responsiveness for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Equipped with JEDEC default profiles and support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO overclocking, the Trident Z5 RGB allows easy tuning for maximum performance. Its non-ECC, 288-pin UDMM design ensures compatibility with a wide range of Intel, Z890, Z790, Z690, B860, B760, B660, and AMD X870, X670, B850, B840, B650, A620 platforms, though users should consult G.Skill's QVL or RAM configurator for validated motherboards featuring vibrant RGB lighting and engineered as matched kits. It's crucial not to mix modules to maintain stability. With G.Skill's premium design and reliability, the Trident Z5 RGB kit combines speed, style, and stability for enthusiasts building high-performance PCs. Our third product is G.Skill DDR5 RGB RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Royal Neo Series DDR5 Memory Kit, F56000J2836G16GX2TR5NS, is a premium choice for AMD-based desktop PCs and gaming rigs. This 32GB kit includes 2x16GB modules rated for DDR5-6000 with CL28-36-36-96 timings at 1.40V. Delivering exceptional speed and responsiveness for high-performance gaming, multitasking, and creative workloads. Designed as non-ECC 288-pin UDMMS, the kit supports AMD EXPO overclocking profiles in addition to JEDEC default settings, allowing easy optimization for maximum performance. It is specifically validated for AMD platforms including X870, X670, B850, B840, and B650. Users should consult G.Skill's QVL or RAM configurator to ensure motherboard compatibility. Built as matched kits, these modules should not be mixed with other memory to maintain stability and prevent system issues. With its sleek design, high-speed performance, and reliable AMD-focused tuning, the Trident Z5 Royal Neo series offers a combination of style, speed, and stability, making it an excellent upgrade for enthusiasts seeking top-tier DDR5 memory. Now number 4, G.Skill DDR5 RGB RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB Series DDR5 Memory Kit, F56000J3036G32GX2TZ5NRW, is a high-capacity, high-performance solution for AMD-based desktop PCs and gaming systems. This 64GB kit, featuring 2x32GB modules, is rated for DDR5-6000 with CL30-36-36-96 timings at 1.40V. Delivering exceptional speed and responsiveness for intensive gaming, multitasking, and creative workloads. These non-ECC, 288-pin UDMM modules include both JEDEC default profiles and AMD EXPO memory overclock profiles, making it easy to optimize performance for maximum efficiency. Specifically validated for AMD X870, X670, B850, B840, and B650 platforms, users should consult G.Skill's QVL or RAM configurator for motherboard compatibility. The kit is sold as matched modules, and mixing with other memory kits can compromise stability. With dynamic RGB lighting, high-speed performance, and reliable AMD focus tuning, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB series combines style, capacity, and efficiency. It's ideal for enthusiasts looking to build a powerful, visually striking DDR5 system. And our last choice is Teamgroup DDR5 RGB RAM. The Teamgroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 32GB kit, 2x16GB, is a high-performance memory solution for modern desktop PCs. With an impressive speed of 7200 MHz, PC5-57600, and CL34 timings, this RAM delivers ultra-fast data transfer, reduced latency, and smooth multitasking, perfect for gaming, content creation, and demanding applications designed for desktops with 600 series chipsets. The kit features two 16GB modules for a total of 32GB, providing ample capacity to run AAA games, productivity software, and multimedia projects simultaneously. Its striking white heat spreaders complement the dynamic Delta RGB lighting, offering vibrant colors and customizable effects that enhance the aesthetics of any build. The Teamgroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 is engineered for stability and efficiency, ensuring reliable performance even under intensive workloads. Its high-speed capabilities, large capacity, and eye-catching design make it an ideal choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both performance and style in their DDR5 memory upgrade. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.